Communication between different technologies can be difficult. To help them understand each other, you could build bridges. A lot of bridges. Or you could use gateways and never be sure if it's the right one. Or you could step up and simply share one platform.
Hi.
High five.
Critical communication is vital, especially when disaster strikes. And there is no time to waste. Collect and transfer data to respond and coordinate all emergency personnel. To rescue lives and resolve situations in one coordinated team effort. Clear communication is key, and setting the right team to handle any challenge is essential. Whether it is Tetra, TEDS, DMR, or good old analog, all four technologies are core connected into one powerful system to solve any challenge. Join the team making the world a safer place. DAMM, critical communication made easy.